Imagine this, an AI system that can actually acquire patients for healthcare industries without any manual marketing. That's exactly what Shruti Rajan, a student from Advanced AI Marketing Cohort 1, has built, an AI-driven patient acquisition system for Tata 1mg using Anaten. In this video, Shruti herself will walk you through how she designed the entire system, how the automation workflows function, and what impact it really creates in the industry. So if you want to know more about this program, you can check out the pinned comment or the description box, and make sure to watch this complete video. This isn't just a theory, it is a real world implementation. So without any further delay, let's get started.
I'm Shruti Rajan. I'm going to be explaining the automation part of the GPT we have created. Now we are going towards the automation part. So let me explain node by node first, and then I will be, executing the workflow altogether. So since we have already mentioned about the, 1mg health form, so it will be acting as a trigger. Once the patient fills all the necessary details in the trigger, then the AI symptom will classify based upon the symptoms of the patient. It will automatically send an email to the patient about which doctor they should consult. Based upon their symptom, the agent will be mapping the specialist in a mail. So this is the workflow. Now this is the lead duplicate checker that I have created with a condition. So the condition is basically if a person comes with, for example, an email ID A and a disease A, then it will be considered as a new lead. Okay. Then again after some time, if the same person with the same email comes with different disease, then also it will be considered as a new lead. But if a person comes with the same email and then repetitive same disease, then it will be considered as a duplicate lead, and it will only get a message that we have already registered your inquiry. That kind of confirmation mail will be given to him. So, after the patient and the lead is sorted, this is a lead which is already existing. So, the AI email generator agent will generate an email first with that the email I have already discussed, that we already have your inquiry, that one, and then we will be waiting. So in this workflow, since I have to show you, so I have added a waiting period of 5 seconds. Otherwise we will be waiting for few hours or maybe a day. Then this AI health tip generator will create some tips based upon the symptoms, based upon the inquiry they have generated. For example, if they have a frozen shoulder, so some tips will be sent to them via email about frozen shoulder, so that the lead get a personalized email, good health tips, and it keeps them engaged. And again, I have added over here the system prompt and the similarly the user prompt, everything about like how you have to create an email. It should be personalized and everything. On every specific agent, I have mentioned the user prompt and the system prompt. Similarly over here, if the user is a first time user, like if the user is a new lead, then first confirmation email will be given to them. Similarly, I have added the user and the system prompt in every agent according to their purposes. So first email will be sent towards them about the confirmation that we have received the email, and then in this email we will be allotting them a specialist based upon this agent, which has already classified which specialist is required by the patient. So email will be sent, a waiting period will be there. Then again, to engage the patient, we will be sending some personalized tips, health tips based upon the symptom he is suffering from. And then again, if we have added a waiting period for like 1 day or so, so that once the waiting period is over, a reminder will be sent. A reminder agent is there. A reminder will be sent via email along with the date of the consultation, everything. And once the email is sent for the reminder, after 1 or 2 days, we will be getting all the data, like the leads of 1 day total. We'll be getting on the other day total leads. Like if I want the leads if I get the total leads of on Monday, then I will be getting total lead as a report on Tuesday morning, kind of a that thing. And then we will be getting all the information about the data, leads, and the symptoms. Which symptom is getting more, frequent doctor consultation, which doctor is required more, and that kind of stuff will be notified to the hospital or health management via Slack. Then again, with a waiting period of 2 or 1 day, we will be sending an email about asking for a feedback from the patient about their experience using 1MGG Health platform. So this is the whole flow. I've explained each and every node. Basic, settings and everything will be already same. Like all the AI agents are having their user and system prompt. Everything is similar. So without wasting more time, let's go and execute it. So I will be showing the two scenarios. First one is when the lead is, the new lead, and second one will be when the lead is duplicate one. So let's trigger the workflow. So this is the form that I have created. Here you can see full name, email, phone number, primary symptoms, what are the primary symptoms, urgency, preferred consultation time. Every option is given over here. So I'm going to fill up the form. Let's say symptoms can be neck pain, urgency can be moderate, and time can be in the morning. And let's submit. The form is submitted. Okay, the workflow has started. It is going towards a new lead branch. Okay, now first email has been sent. Waiting period is of 5 seconds. I've just added to demonstrate. Then the health tips will be given. That email has been sent. Again, waiting period of 5 seconds. Now a consultation reminder will be sent. Again, 5 seconds of waiting will be there. Now the insights will be creating in the agent. It will create a insight, total insight about the lead and all, everything on the total lead we have received today. Meanwhile, what we can do is that we can go and check the emails that we have received. Okay, now you can see this is the email that I have received, the confirmation email, first email about the neck pain, and this is personalized. You can see the name over here. You can see this. And the second email is a health tip. You can see short health tip is given over here for the neck pain, generated via Anytime. And this is the reminder for the consultation that we have booked for 13 March. If we have any question, feel to revert back. So we have received 3 emails. This is the last email, which is for the feedback one. So this is the email, the feedback one. Here you can see. So now we can check the workflow has been executed. All the workflow has been executed. Let's check the Slack notification. 1 second. Screen's slightly. Now it's fine. 1 second. So here you can see this is the 1120. This is the insight, like total leads is 18, unique patient 6, top symptoms which are neck pain, feeling anxiety, depressed, most requested orthopedic, 8 high severity cases. These are the insights that has been, these are the insights that the agent has accumulated from the lead sheet. Let me show the lead sheet for you. Okay, this is the lead sheet where all the data you can see over here. There are so many entries, there are so many test entries over here. So this one is the latest one that I have added with the neck pain as a complaint. And here you can see it is automatically generating the doctor, the specialist doctor and lead, and everything is saved over there. Okay, so now coming back to the workflow, which has been, once we have checked for the new lead, now we will be checking for the duplication. Like already, if the patient comes and again submits the form for the same symptom, then what will happen? I'll just click over here and just pin it. And now we will be again executing the workflow. You can see it will go into this branch. An email will be generated and a waiting email, 5-second wait will be there. Then again some health tips will be generated and the last email will be it is done. See, workflow is executed successfully. Let's go and check the email. Just refresh. Here you can see we have already received your consultation request. Email has been received, and there are some tips over there. So this is the email that you will be getting if your request already has been given there, and then also you will be getting additional healthcare tips so that the patient can actually use some tips in case of a distress situation to calm him or her down. So these kind of two mail will be sent to them. So acknowledgement will be there. It will not be like if you are a duplicate lead, then there will be no acknowledgement of the lead or no health tips be provided to them as well. So this is a total workflow that I have created in order to automate the whole, the confirmation, the booking, the classification of the symptoms, and addressing which kind of a specialist doctor is required for the particular patient. That problem is solved. Then again, the duplicate checker, like that problem is also solved. Then again, the email workflow, the confirmation, the confirmation, the health tips, the reminder, the feedback, all the flow is automated. So there is no need to go back and again and check. And then also the insights, the very important insights that we get from the Slack notification about the cases, about the top symptoms, total number of leads, which doctor is required more, what is the severity of the cases, the insights of the patients, everything is given over here. So what the health management can do is pick up from these insights and create social media content, ad campaign, blogs, or health tips, or some kind of informative content around it, or maybe advertising around it. So this can be also be helpful, and this can also be upgraded via having a proper dedicated CRM, or for say having a WhatsApp reminder. I wanted to include in that, but all these things are paid. So WhatsApp reminder can be added, dedicated CRM can be added, more personalizations can be added, or offers can be given to the people. And this is for simple for booking consultation. Other sectors can also add for that. We required a proper dedicated CRM. So all these things can be also be added in this thing. So I'm summing up the project in total now. In conclusion, the problem was like basically there are so many visitors, they are coming towards the website, but they are not converting into consultation booking calls. And second thing, that support team has to address repetitively over the questions that has been asked again and again. And there is not much increase in the conversion of consultation. So this chat GPT, custom chat GPT, will address the issues of people, guide them, and reduce the load of the support team by addressing the repetitive questions, guide them towards the consultation form. They don't have to leave the platform or check out on their own, or browse the whole website on their own. So there is no need to do that. They just need to simply fill the form, and every detail will be given to them via email. And all the flow on the back end will be automated. So there is no need to check for the email again and again. And everything will be provided to them via email only. The health tips, the reminders, and even the feedback system that can also be extended for using that insight of their feedback into marketing, content strategies, and everything. So that is it from my side. I hope that the system provides some value in acquiring new clients and new patients. So I hope that the workflow fulfills its true meaning and to provide some value to you. So I would like to thank Naveen sir in the end for such an amazing learning experience, and all the WS Cube Tech team for such an amazing course that has helped me to create such an amazing workflow and such an amazing GPT. So thank you everyone. Thank you for your support. So yeah, I'm ending now. Thank you so much.